If you've ever looked at an ad that's been running forever and thought, how the hell is it still scaling? Then this video is for you. The reality is that eight-figure brands do not get just lucky overnight with their ads. They follow a curated system. They have a blueprint that the little guys don't know about. And that system has rules. You're going to walk away with laws that explain why some ads scale and others do not last more than 2 days in your account. Hello, if we haven't met, I am Mercedes. I'm a former CMO, growth marketer, and currently direct response copywriter with 10 years of experience in copywriting and 5 years experience in creative strategy. I've worked with DTC and e-commerce brands from launch to scale, from new products and new ventures, new companies, to scaling them. And my specialty is really building ads that don't look good and just don't stop the scroll, but also that move metrics. It's not just about having those vanity metrics that we all want. It is also about, is this thing actually working for my client? So if you want to learn about that, then you definitely want to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to leave me a comment and all that. That really, really helps. But now let's move on to this law number 8, which I love because I love CRO. And that is the message match law. Your ad is a promise, but the landing page or your PDP must pay it off. Now this one is a silent killer, and it pains me to see how many businesses are having those killer ads, and then you go to the landing page or the PDP and you're like, what do I do now? Or the landing page or the PDP do not create the report or the trust that it should, and then even though the ad was really, really good and it did all that it had to do to take you to click there, then eventually they go there and it flops because the landing page is just, it sucks. And this one is a silent killer because your ad says like stop walking at like 3 a.m. but then your landing page says premium wellness formula for daily balance. This could be fixed from the ad or from the landing page, or you could have different versions for the landing page. That's when you come up with personas. You should also come with, and I'm going to make a whole video about how you can do that in an easy way, but if you have a different persona that you're going to test, you need to make sure the landing page is addressing that persona, because that persona then is going to go there and they're like, oh, this is interesting, but I don't see how I fit into this and how I can use this product or this service. But because I want to keep this video very practical, here are some quick fixes that you can apply right now. Your landing page headline should echo the ad promise almost always. Or at least you can have like a very generic landing page headline, and that's again why you need a very experienced copywriter. Second, the first proof block should match the ad proof. Third, the ad is mechanism-led, meaning that the page needs a mechanism to clarify that immediately. And if you don't know how to create a mechanism, write down the word mechanism and I'll create a video about that. Third, the ad is plain-led. The page needs a direct, you're not crazy section. Because if you don't empathize with people and you don't say like, hey, we've been there, that's why we created this product, then guess what? They're just probably gonna scroll past it or just gonna close the landing page and not do anything. This is why brands with the same CPM and CTR can have a wildly different CPA, because the conversion happens after the click. Those are my 8 laws behind every ad that scales to 8 figures that I've observed myself with my 8 and 9 figure brands that I've worked with, the clients that I've worked with. And this is just my list of ideas, what I've seen worked over and over and over again, and what are they doing right now, what they're also paying thousands and thousands of dollars to marketing experts to spill the tea here in this channel. That's why you want to subscribe, is because I'm gonna spill all the tea. So subscribe to my channel, ask me any questions if you have that, and if not, then tell me, have you tried any of these? How did that really help you with your business? Did you see any changes? And finally, if you want more videos like this, then subscribe, because I share weekly creative strategy videos so you can make the most out of it. And I'm not just giving you wishy-washy blah 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 motivational bullshit. I'm giving you actionable steps that actually work for my clients. So keep an eye out and let me know if this helped you. And don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye. Oh, and by the way, remember what I told you about having the copywriter and all of that? If you do want to book a consult, I am now officially opening my consult page. So if you want to go grab it, then you can click below and you can have me join your team for a while and then give you some advice on what I would do if I were your creative strategist. Or you can talk to me if you want to work with me one-on-one. Okay, see you later. Bye.